In this video we're going to show you how to personalise your trainers using one of our custom kits, and for this we're going to be using a pair of Adidas Superstars as an example. So once you've placed your order on tmdcustom.co.uk and received your custom vinyl order, you'll see you receive it in a package along with some heat tape, some application paper, or call it Teflon paper, and then the actual vinyl itself. So take the vinyl that you're going to apply and apply some of the heat tape to each corner. This will be useful in a moment in how to apply it to the shoe. Once you've got it on the corners, take care to get it in the position you want. It's better to take a little bit of time now, measure it out if you need to make sure that you're getting it exactly how you want it to be once you put it onto the shoe. As you'll see, we've also got the iron ready. You want this on around a medium heat. Once you're happy that you've got the design in the place you want it to go, take the Teflon paper that's supplied. Now, I've doubled it over in this video. If you're a little bit nervous about doing this and you want a bit of extra protection, I would suggest doing that for a start and taking your time. If you've done this before and you're feeling quite confident, then you can just use a single layer as well. It will be quicker, but if you want to be safe, then double up. Once you're happy that you've ironed it for about 20 to 30 seconds, carefully peel back the film. You want to be looking to apply it with a medium pressure. When you peel it back, if you see a little bit lifting, as we've just done with the last star in this, then you can put it back down, reapply your paper and go with the iron again. So recommend around 20 to 30 seconds per ironing session, and then use a medium pressure. Don't push down too hard, but equally don't make it too light. So once you've corrected that bit, again carefully lift to have a look, and as you can see now it's applied to the shoe and it's all good. We're also going to show you how we did this again with some letters on the other side. So same process of applying the heat tape, getting it where you want it to be. With letters as well, take time to measure if you need to make sure it's in exactly the right place on the shoe, and then again follow the same process with the ironing. So 20 to 30 seconds, medium pressure. Okay, so once you're happy you've done it for that, lift again carefully. Now as you can see on this one, I can see the S lifting slightly at the very end. So popped it back down, same process again. I've actually gone with a single layer of Teflon on this time, just to give it a little bit more heat. And just carefully iron the area. You see the ironing technique, it's using little sort of circles. It's not just holding it on it, it's constantly moving with that medium pressure. So now we'll take another look, do it very carefully. And now you can see it's gone on and it looks great. So for the other shoe we just repeated the same process, and that's it, they look great.